This indicator, when properly configured and used with the right market context, can help identify high-probability trade setups. I'll walk you through the optimal settings and show you exactly how to use it effectively. Before we start, I want to emphasize that my goal here isn't just show you the indicator, but to really explain how to make it work to your advantage. So before making any judgments, I strongly advise you to watch the whole video to get a better understanding. The Absolute Strength Index Oscillator by Lazy Bear is a momentum indicator that tracks price movement relationships. You can find it on Tradingview. It generates signals through zero-line crossovers for trend shifts and signal line crossovers for shorter-term moves. You can customize its appearance with histogram or line modes and bar coloring. The two main settings are the EMA length for the smoothing period and signal length for sensitivity. Initial testing of this oscillator has shown promising results with relatively low lag signal generation. However, for today's strategy, I recommend using these particular settings. It's essential to use these signals as part of a broader analysis that includes multiple confirming factors. Let's analyze this specific trading setup. We have a clear reversal pattern unfolding. The price initially broke down through a key level. During the subsequent pullback, the price showed weakness by failing to push back above this same level, a classic resistance test. The indicator provided several confirming signals during this sequence. The signal line attempted but failed to cross above the zero line, suggesting persistent downward pressure. The EMA line briefly tested the zero line but couldn't maintain position above it. The EMA then crossed below both the zero line and the signal line. We enter on a price pullback after the signal line has failed to cross the zero line and the EMA crosses back below it in this case. For longs, it would be crossed back above it, obviously. For entries in an established trend, the principle remains the same. Watch for price pullbacks where the signal line fails to cross above the zero line. When the EMA crosses the zero line upward, but then returns down through the signal line, you can enter on the candle close as the EMA crosses below the signal line. The setup becomes particularly compelling when these signals occur at key support or resistance levels. In this example, the presence of a hidden bearish divergence adds further weight to the setup. When we add the increased volume on this bearish candle to our analysis, we see multiple technical factors aligning. Price action showing weakness at resistance. The Absolute Strength Index Oscillator confirming downward momentum. Higher volume supporting the bearish move. This combination of signals, price behavior, momentum indication, and volume confirmation creates a much stronger case for entry than any single factor alone would provide. For managing stop losses and profit targets, I use the ATR bands indicator by TRD Floor. It's especially helpful as it not only shows the traditional ATR bands around price, which you can adjust to your preferences, but also provides a convenient table showing potential entry and exit points based on your trade direction. The table automatically calculates these levels according to your settings. We have recently introduced the complete QR Pro BST ecosystem. One workflow, 3 tools. Backtest your settings, scan for opportunities, and trade with confidence. Link in the description if you want to see how it works.